Hi, welcome back. I'm going to be doing lock-in. This is the Grenadier challenge. Level 21 recommended. I'm going to be using April, Anthony, and Clyde. Quick overview of April, Anthony, and finally Clyde. You can pause it if you want to check out their stats. So here we go. If you notice, Clyde didn't have any interrupt, and Anthony had 100%, I believe, with his lug stack, and April had 100% interrupt on her weapon already. And this is the way I kind of do this one. Let me see if I got this Grenadier here. Yeah, I got 21s already. And 22 Walker I don't have yet. Let me click on that. Yeah, the Wikia is totally out of date for the Walker information, so I'm updating it as I go through on these missions. And this is the way I do this one. I'm going to bring them down here anyway. I got 21, 413. And this is kind of what I'm seeing with the Grenadier. It didn't set that one on fire, but usually I'm not sure if even the explosion, if it kills the Walker if you lose the EXP, because if it goes into burning and then dies, you get the EXP. So it's kind of weird how it's deciding whether or not you get EXP for these kills from the Grenadier. So, for the other Walkers, I mean. And what I generally do is start with the bottom gate, closing it. So I'm just going to go ahead and move on down. And what I'm going to want to do is charge April first before I open the gate or close the gates. And I'll use her for backup for killing the Walkers if Clyde and Anthony can seal the deal on them. It's generally Anthony that has a problem killing both of them. And he did that time. So I'm just going to keep ending turn until I have to use April to... So there we go, there's already one. They both do. Losers. Losers. That's alright. We can see if Anthony can avoid the hit. And you can also block off, which is probably what I'm going to do this time. Is to... Okay, there we go. Make this a little easier for my guys here. I'm going to block off one of the Walkers. And you can do this at any time. You could set, Anthony and Clyde in there and just shoot one if you want to. So, however you want to farm it. These guys don't get any higher anyway. So I'm going to use April here, hopefully to charge her up. There's a problem with the shooter if they can't kill their target in one shot. And to that effect, I'm actually going to move Clyde in to block it. So as you see, April will lose her spot there. Yeah, so I'll move Clyde back one. There we go. And at that point, I could use the Anthony's special ability or Clyde's. Because it's only one turn, then I can recharge, just doing one at a time if I want to. So here again, I'm going to block with Clyde and April, just to set up for the next turn for when I get the spawn for opening this gate or closing the gate. So that way, if I need extra help, you know, they're there. We had 22 Walker, same thing. Okay, how to get the... Let's see if I got the angle on this. Should. There we go. So what I'm going to try to do is use Anthony here to get the Grenadier. That's 22, okay. So Clyde should be, yep, there we go. .440. So there we go. So you can do whatever. You can block if you want to. But I'm just going to let the guy come through and farm my little extra if it comes out. There we go. Done. So, you know, there's blocking. You could do interrupts if you want. You know, however you want to. So, thank you for watching, and I will catch you down the road after I... Oh, that was some nice gas. Nice. And I'm not going to pay 25 for it. I'll let 21 pilots here sing us out as I end the video.